Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to be replacing a rear ABS sensor on a 2013 Subaru Forester. All right, this is from probably 2011 up to 18. Pretty much the same. First thing you're going to do, here's the new sensor. Okay, first thing we're going to do, take the wheel off. Then over here, you're going to see the sensor itself. It's going to have a 10mm bolt here. You take the bolt out and you wiggle it. You try to, it's plastic, so it's plastic against steel. It's not so bad. You maybe lube it up, until it wiggles and comes out. Okay, it's going to have an attachment here. And it's going to have an attachment here. Then it's going to come down this way. Okay, under here. This plastic thing, you can take it down. It has 12mm bolts there, and there. And you just move it out of the way until you see the sensor connector right here. Okay, you just take this sensor connector out. You reroute the new one. And you plug it back in. And that's basically it. It's a simple one, very easy to do. I'll show you what it looks like. This is it. And make sure when you put it in, turn the hub. Make sure it doesn't hit. It shouldn't. And this one was a little bit different with the clips, so I just clipped them in like this and like this. Main thing is that they don't jiggle or they don't move and hit the tire, okay, and rub and cause a bad connection. And then you just put the plastic piece back up, 10mm bolts there, put the wheel back on, and you're good to go. That's a simple one. The other side is similar. It just over here, it goes in this, and you gotta just take this out just to find the plug on the other side. It's not that hard. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, just leave them below. I answer all my questions. I appreciate all the comments, feedback, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.